Let's go back to Winchester where Kit Hanley is. And Kit, we noticed that you were talking to a resident in your live video there. What did they have to say about what they experienced?
Yeah, good morning, Angela and Daniel. We moved away from City Hall, as you can see, and we took a drive through the neighborhoods here. We're on Huntsville Road. Absolutely devastating around here. You can see people are already getting ahead on the cleanup efforts. There's uprooted trees, mangled metal, wrapping power lines, debris on the ground everywhere. And this property behind me, Kylan's going to pan to over here. It is called Stone Mansion. It's a historical property that was just devastated by this tornado. In the front, you can't see it, but there's a tree that went right through the roof. I'm here with Lydia Carpenter. She's a volunteer with Saving the Old Properties, and she has a message for anyone who wants to come out and help clean up this beautiful Victorian mansion.
Please, guys, this place was built in 1870s. It's a historical document, a historical landmark. Anybody that wants to come out and help us clean up the debris, it would be greatly appreciated. Get a hold of Kate at Saving the Old Properties, 765-808-8730. Look us up on Facebook if you want to help. We need as much help as we can get. Thank you.
Yes, and Lydia had just said that a tornado has not hit this area in years. How are you doing right now?
I was at work in our basement. I work at Wix Factory also. We're in the basement. We hear the sirens go off, and then we hear a freight train. Like, everyone says it sounds like a freight train. And we could hear it. It was crazy. Like, you don't realize how much you appreciate things until you've got this. Like Winchester, we were a beautiful town, and we will be a beautiful town again. We just, like I said, need all the help we can get. So come out, volunteer, help us out.
I'm so sorry for everything that you and your community are going through.
Seriously. Yeah, just all the positive thoughts and energy and prayers and everything. Like, come help. Yeah, it's great.
Got you. Thank you so much, Lydia. I really appreciate it. Angela, Daniel, look at this. I mean, this is just madness.
Yeah, it is. And, you know, she's just one of many people who will be needing help and asking for help because of the tornado that moved through Winchester. Kit, I'm curious to know, from your perspective, how far are the homes from one another on the area, in that area where you are?
Yes, the homes, let's see, they're all pretty close together. I would say about, let's say 50 feet, maybe 25, 50 feet apart. But every 50 feet, I mean, you will see an uprooted tree. You will see this damage. It's just heartbreaking here. So many uprooted trees. And just down the road here, National Guard was damaged.